Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make Google Maps look more realistic. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm using the PC version. However, this also applies to the mobile version as well. Very easy to do. All you need to do pretty much is to change Google Maps into satellite mode and not maps mode, which I'm currently on. As you can see, most of the buildings are colored white, the streets are colored gray, bridges and more important roads are colored dark gray or bluish gray, and of course, parks and green surfaces are green, water, rivers, seas, and oceans are blue, etc., etc. But yeah, to change this and to make it look more realistic on PC, you go into layers and then just click on satellite, and that's going to change it to satellite view, which is going to make it look realistic. Well, pretty much just a photograph of what the satellite saw at the moment of recording. Now, for the mobile phone, it's a bit more complicated than this. You just need to go into your profile icon in the top right of your app, go into settings, scroll down until you see launch maps in satellite mode, and when you back out, it'll be in satellite mode, and it will be in satellite mode until you turn it off. Now, another thing, if you want to make it more realistic on the PC at least, I'm not sure how you can do this on mobile, you can easily go into layers, go into more, and then you can turn off labels, and as you can see, it'll remove most labels, and it's gonna just show the satellite image from above. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is pretty much as realistic as you can make maps. You can go and use Google Earth if you want a 3D render instead of just a satellite view. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.